Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the wonderful health benefits and social aspects of fishing, one of America's most beloved outdoor activities. Let me break down why fishing is so much more than just catching fish. Physical benefits and activity. Did you know that fishing is an excellent form of low-impact exercise? Let's look at how it gets you moving. Walking to your favorite fishing spots. Wading through shallow water. Repeatedly casting your rod. Carrying equipment and gear. All these activities help. Increase your heart rate naturally. Burn extra calories. Improve overall fitness. Maintain joint health. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Here's something fascinating. About 40% of Americans are vitamin D deficient. Fishing provides a perfect opportunity to get your natural vitamin D intake through sunlight exposure. This vitamin is crucial for bone health, immune system function, mood regulation, overall well-being. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to sun exposure. The reward of a healthy meal. When you catch fish within legal limits, you're gaining access to high-quality protein, healthy omega-3 fats, essential vitamins and minerals, fresh, sustainable food. There's something uniquely satisfying about preparing and eating a fish you've caught yourself. It connects you to your food in a way that grocery shopping never could. Mental health and stress relief. Fishing is nature's therapy. Think about it. Peaceful water sounds, fresh air, natural surroundings, focused attention on a simple task. These elements combine to create a naturally decompressing experience that reduces stress, clears the mind, provides gentle excitement, offers peaceful solitude. Even when the fish aren't biting, you're still benefiting from time away from screens, connection with nature, peaceful environment, mental reset, building relationships and creating memories. One of fishing's greatest gifts is its social aspect. Family bonding time, friendship strengthening, multi-generational activity, shared experiences. The beauty of fishing is that it's accessible to all age groups, different ability levels, various skill levels, different budgets, whether you're out on a boat, casting from the beach, sitting on a dock, standing on the shore. The experience creates lasting memories through celebrating big catches, laughing at near misses, sharing quiet moments, creating stories together. Remember, catching fish is just a bonus. The real value comes from time spent outdoors, connections made, skills learned, memories created, tips for getting started. Get proper licensing. Learn basic techniques. Start with simple equipment. Research local fishing spots. Join a fishing community. Closing thoughts. Fishing isn't just about the catch, it's about improving physical health, boosting mental well-being, building relationships, creating lasting memories, connecting with nature. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced angler, the benefits of fishing are accessible to everyone. It's an activity that truly gives back what you put into it, and sometimes even more. Remember, every time you cast a line, you're not just fishing, you're investing in your physical health, mental well-being, and social connections. So grab your rod, gather your friends or family, and head out to your nearest fishing spot. The water's waiting. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the wonderful world of fishing. Until next time, keep casting, keep smiling, and enjoy the peaceful moments by the water.